Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and fine. So today I'm gonna teach you how to set up members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. So let's get started. So first open your Discord app. If you have a Discord app, you can open that. If you don't have, you can use web also. So then go to the server settings again. This is the server for video, the same server as the first part one. Okay, this is gonna be part 6. So let's put server settings. Let's go to server settings, and we have moderation category, community category. So today we're not gonna go for community category because it's not the part of the tutorial. So we have to go to a category called moderation. So this is the moderation category, guys. So I'm gonna open the safety setup. We need to go to safety setup. The safety setup the page. Then we have like 4 subheadings like lead protection and captcha, DM and spam protection, auto mount and permission. So we are gonna go to the second one, DM and spam protection. In here we have all the things enabled except this verification level. So we'll see in the next video. Okay guys, I think this is not more must to do this verification level, but if you want to do it, you can. So what you can do is like when you accept this, when you put it in a highest, okay guys, it'll ask for phone number. So you have to verify with your phone number. That's fine. So it's not very important, okay, but let's go on with this option, the second one. Members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. So in here we have all setup rules that new members must explicitly agree to before they can talk, react or DM other members. Granting a role to a new member will bypass this requirement. So they are telling this to enable because it is kinda important before they can talk in DM or in a general chat. So let's get started. So let's click on setup. So it is description. Okay, I'm gonna put the description. The server for, or if you want, you can put your own. You can just putting like for a video. I'm just putting that. Get started. So I need a rule. Be civil. Okay, add rule. No spam. Add rule. Something say. What can I put? Okay, let it be 3 rules itself. Okay, and I'm gonna save it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put I have agree and to the rules. Okay, so it will say like this. So let me just enable the option. So this is the preview of that. Okay, this is gonna be the preview. I have agreed and agree to the rules, like that it will say. So verify your email is this one, verification level, but we don't need that. Okay, and I'm gonna turn on the option. Okay guys, so this is how you can put DM and spam protection. like members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. So like that. So DM is nothing but direct message, guys. Okay. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If it is, share it with the other friends, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you can see my videos. Like whenever I upload, as soon as I upload my videos, the notification will come for you. So yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all